Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. I am so excited today. So, as you can see, I have a package in front of me. It is from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. She's been keeping this under wraps and she has shared this information with us and sent us these packages. But I have something super excited to show you guys. If you read the description of this video, you already know there is a brand new sticker book coming out from her shop. I am so excited. Also some washi, also some other items. There's going to be quite a few things. If you love her illustrations as much as I do, you already know what this entails. So let me show you all of this. So we're going to do some washi as well as the rest of this. So let me show you what's here. I am super excited for this. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I am so happy you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. So in case you didn't know, I am a PR representative for Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop, and I am beyond excited. So she has these brand new washes. Let's start with those. So they're 10 meters long each. So they're super long, like super thick. Look at that. The design is beautiful. Of course, hand-drawn by Jojo. And then each of them will be $5, or you can get a limited set for $13. And that's going to include all three of them. Of course, let's go ahead and go through this and do some swatches, because how will you know what it looks like? So the fun thing about these is that they match some of her collections. So I'll show you all of these and we'll go from there. I'm gonna go ahead and open them, and once I open them, I'll be right back and we'll do swatches. I am seeing everything first time with you guys. I decided to wait to and open everything with you on the camera so you guys have my most honest reaction. But if you already know me, you know that I love her stuff. Like, she never goes wrong with her art. It's always on point, it's always beautiful. So a little bit about Jojo. If you didn't know, she is an artist that opened this shop a few years ago, and her illustrations are so stunning. So you can purchase stuff on Etsy. There's a link down below. My code, which is Kasha, KASIA 15, will be good for 15% off of all of her shop stuff. So go ahead and give this a try when this comes out on October 20th. So this is the first washi. This first washi corresponds to the Happy Mail collection that she has, but it has new colors and new florals. So new color palette, new florals, super cute. As always, Jojo rocks it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a cutter so we can cut this beautiful washi. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one that I'm going to do is so universal. You can use this for pretty much anything that has blue or green or even like yellow tones in it. This is so gorgeous, you guys. Look at this. It is beautiful. I love her images. These things are absolutely stunning. These are also the little plants and leaves that she has in a floral book collection. And this third washi with the books also corresponds to the floral book collection and her other book collections. It's so cute. Look at this. It is perfect for fall and winter when you're making cozy spreads and you want to include some books. You can make shelves and put those on shelves. Like, there's so many things that you could do with this washi. And again, they're super long, 10 meters. Each one is $5, so really affordable. Jojo also has this amazing new vinyl for water bottles, and it is dishwasher safe. So let me show you. There's 5 new ones. They're made on a matte vinyl, and I picked 2 of them. So I have Indoorsy. They have beautiful and constantly dehydrated. So I have many water bottles, and I carry them with me just like anyone. However, I come home and my bottle is still full. So, yep, that completely spoke to me. And of course, I love my blue hues in this. So, yep, I love it. I am so in love with these. I can't wait to put them on my water bottles, especially. One will probably go on my glass one, which I drink coffee out of all the time. But then the other one will go on like my Stanley cup. Okay. I know you guys are here for this, so let me get to it. The sticker book. So the sticker book is 30 pages. All of the illustrations are made by Jojo. The book itself is called Whimsy and Floral, or Flora and Whimsy. This is Jojo, in case you never met her. She is adorable, and she's such a sweet human being that if you have never talked to her, please do so. She's so personable. So Whimsical Florals Volume 1. This is from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. Absolutely stunning. Again, hand illustrated. I can't wait to share. Okay. So I'm doing this with you guys, and I'm actually pretty good about all of the collections that Jojo has, so I have learned them. There's it's going to be released on October 20th. It's going to be at noon Central Time, so it's going to be included with the advent calendars that she releases and stuff like that. So this is what she's going to be releasing. So, oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so this first collection here is called Floral Book, and she does print this individually. You can buy sheets of this, but they're not, the illustrations are not as big, and these are on clear paper. So it is clear, but it's kind of matte at the same time. So this way, do you see how well it shows on a camera without any glare or anything like that? So I am so happy she upgraded that to more of a matte design. And look at this bookcase with the kitty. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am obsessed with this. This is such a amazing, like, cozy vibe feel to me. I can't wait. Oh my lord, look at these, you guys. Okay, so these are on paper, so you can write on them, but it's like super sleek paper. I love it. And then look at the floral she includes in those. Super awesome. So you get 2 pages of each design, just in case you were wondering. So yes, these are included in the book, and then you get regular boxes. So, and then these round decorative circles, so you can actually cut them in half and use them in half of your box, kind of like a decoration, or you can even cut them in quarters, and then when you do that, you can use them in corners of your spread. So I thought that was kind of fun to be able to do that. So you get 2 pages of those. And now we have the Happy Mail new palette, new florals. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So cute. This is so adorable with all the flowers and the mail. And if you want just like a Happy Mail spread, this is perfect. So I can't wait to use those either when she releases the book, even though I get this as a gift from her to be able to share with you guys. I am more than excited to grab another one because I'm gonna go through this like water, you guys. I already know. So that one was one on clear, and this one again is on paper, so you can write in those. You know how people have those special like boxes for the day that are kind of like a main event. You can use those for that, and then you get again the decorative circles, which look at this design. Oh my lord. And then you get the green beautiful boxes, and a few of them here and there have actually flowers in them. Okay, this is one of my favorite collections from her. So this is called Lavender Days. And if you've seen it, you already know what I'm talking about because it is the best. It is super lovely, and I can't stress it enough how beautiful these flowers are. Like the purple and blue and the green mix in those just makes me so happy to even just look at them. Look at this, like, oh my gosh. And yes, this book has some individual illustrations. They're only exclusive to this book, so if you want to have all of her artwork, this is what it is. And then this one has those special boxes with the florals in them. Look how cool this is. And then you get scalloped washi on the bottom of these pages, so every inch of the page is used in a productive way. And then you get purple boxes with like purple and green floral circles. Oh my lord. Okay, and then Secret Garden Collection. You guys, I made a spread with this. I was beyond obsessed. I love the florals in here. I love the lanterns. So these are on clear. It's beautiful. It is so cute. I made a spread, I think a week ago or 2 weeks ago, with these and from her shop in my catch-all planner, so you guys can check that one out. But it's simply adorable. Her florals, her drawings are absolutely stunning, and I love them. I really, really do. I can't wait to dig into this book. I know I can't yet because I'm filming this way ahead, you guys. And now I have to sit on this beauty. I don't know how she did it, where she was able to keep it a secret for such a long time that she was making this. I probably would have burst. I am not a great secret keeper. Okay, and then this is called Cozy Home, and I have made a spread with these boxes as well. They are super adorable. I love it. And that's pretty much the end of the book. Yep, that's the end. So that's what this book looks like. I mean, every single page is so special in here. It is beautiful. I love learning about Jojo and her journey. You can read that on the back so you can get to know her a little bit more. But yes, this is again coming out on October 20th at noon Central Time. I am so excited for this. Yes, I am grabbing another one. Let me know if you're planning to buy this one because I am so happy with all of the images she included. Okay, and I do have a part 2 video of the other stuff she's going to be releasing. But for right now, this is it. Again, if you want 15% off of this, use Kasa15, KASIA15. And of course, this will be in the description. I'll see you guys soon and happy shopping!